Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Chelsea buns. I and the children, since they're on holiday, we'll be making Chelsea buns. So these are our ingredients: our flour, butter, sugar, egg, spices, flavors, mixed dry fruits. So we'll start by activating our yeast. We'll leave it for some minutes to prove, after which we add in all our dry ingredients into the flour. So after adding all our dry ingredients into the flour, we'll mix them up. We want to make sure that everything is well mixed. You can see my son's hand. So he has to mix the ingredients together. There in goes our sugar, our dry milk, powdered milk, our butter. All the ingredients are listed in the description. Guys, tell me how you made yours. So we want to make sure that everything is well mixed. That butter has to be incorporated into the flour, so it will look like fine breadcrumbs. Mix, 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 mix. After mixing, after we are sure that everything is well mixed and looks like fine breadcrumbs, we will now add in water gradually to form a dough. It's a really tough one for him. You can see he's struggling. So they decide to work with me today in the shop. So I want them to learn how to make Chelsea buns, as well as other recipes. Time of holidays, a time of learning. They have to learn different things since they're not always around. So when they are on holidays like this, I like to engage them. So he's still mixing it with the butter. It's a bit hard for him to break or to melt. After he's done mixing, we'll now add in water to form the dough. So this is how our dough looks like. This is our dough. We have to leave it there to rest for like 30 minutes, and it has to rise. So leave it there for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we brought it out. So the next stage is the rolling stage. You see, but before rolling it, I have to knead it. I'll knead it a bit, after which I roll. You know the children can't do this, so I have to take over from them here at this point. So after kneading, I'll roll it into a rectangular shape. Whatever shape you decide to make, it's fine. So I have to start rolling. You can see. I have to roll on a flat surface. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. It has to be smooth. So you can see. You can see we have a rectangular shape. You really have to make sure that they're of the same size. You have to roll not too flat, like an inch. The rolling takes time, so it's not what the kids can do. So they are just by my side watching how I'm rolling. So after rolling, and I'm sure that I have the right consistency and shape I want, and the thickness I want rather, the first thing I'll do is to rub egg. I have to egg wash it. You can see I'm egg washing it. Egg washing the whole surface. After which I will sprinkle sugar on it. After sprinkling sugar, then in comes our raisins or mixed fruit. We'll spread it on it, and after that we'll roll. I also sprinkled a bit of powdered milk. It's optional though, but since it's something we're making for the kids, we'll have to make it more nourishing for them, if I can use that word. This is one snack they love. So this is our raisins. So you have to start rolling. You have to roll. You keep rolling. have to roll tight. Have to roll very tight. You can see how I'm rolling it. I have to make sure it's tight. So after rolling, we'll cut and allow it to prove for 30 minutes. We'll cut them and arrange them in the baking tray and cover so that it will rise for 30 minutes. Here they are. This side is. So before it goes into the oven, I have to egg wash again. I have to egg wash before putting them finally in the oven to bake. I have to bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And then our Chelsea buns is ready. Tell me in the comment section how you make yours, if you have made it at all. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe to the channel, recommend your friends. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me how you made yours. So at this stage it has gone inside the oven to bake 30-40 minutes maximum. So it's ready. A Chelsea buns is ready. It's out from the oven. Wow, looking so delicious. Smells so delicious as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. This is our Chelsea buns. Looking so beautiful and ready to eat. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.